Hi, I'm Sherry Lynch here with Dr. Garrett Harper at Graper Cosmetic Surgery, and I'm just going to say it. When I hear about Coolsculpting, that sounds like straight up magic. So how does this work? Coolsculpting, what's really going on with that?
Right, so with Coolsculpting, it's a non-invasive, non-surgical way to try and get rid of fat, stubborn fat. Now, like anything in cosmetic surgery or plastic surgery, it's a wonderful procedure if you're a great candidate for it. So for those particular individuals, Coolsculpting is basically a machine that is attached to areas that are grabbable fat. And then it transmits a cooling system that will actually freeze the fat, causing those fat cells to die, and then the body breaks it down, absorbs it, and gets rid of it over time.
And so the fat, this isn't like a temporary fix, the fat cell's gone.
Once a fat cell's gone, it is gone.
Gone, gone.
Gone, gone.
So where you said grabbable fat, so here and where else? Where can you do Coolsculpting?
Wherever you can grab. Now the traditional places, the most common places used to be the abdomen or this kind of spare tire that a lot of men get. But really the applications for it are almost endless. We see patients that do it on their arms, on their thighs, on their neck, on their back.
Like what about if you have like a little extra here? Is this a Coolsculpting spot?
It is a Coolsculpting spot. If you can grab it, you can Coolsculpt it.
So a second ago you mentioned a spare tire, and that reminded me that for guys, you know, sometimes they're kind of hesitant to really commit. But Coolsculpting sounds like the perfect way to finally get that gym body that you've been working on. Is Coolsculpting great for guys?
It's great for guys. I think some of the positives about it is it's non-invasive. You know, there's no anesthesia and there's no downtime. So
no
a lot
needles.
of guys, no needles, no nothing. So you come in, get a treatment. The fat over the next several weeks will start to get absorbed and go away, but you can get right back to work, you can get right back on the golf course. So it's a really great opportunity for men to be able to do something for these stubborn areas that hitting the gym or running just won't accomplish for them.
And it's frustrating too, because you're working out and you're still able to grab that little bit right there.
Right, I feel like you're looking at me and
I'm being judgy. I do want to ask about the Graper Cosmetic Surgery Treatment Guarantee.
Yeah.
So we're talking about how there's no such thing as one size fits all. And when you come to Graper Cosmetic Surgery, it's all about you, the individual, what's going to give you a great result. But even beyond that, you have the Graper Treatment Guarantee. So what does that really mean?
So you're right, and I think that goes down to having multiple areas of expertise in different modalities. So, you know, if you're a wonderful candidate for Coolsculpting, we'll offer it. If you're not, and we don't think you're going to reach your goals or get your desired result, then we may offer a different modality. So when it comes to the Graper Treatment Guarantee, if you maintain your weight after a treatment of Coolsculpting and you don't have noticeable difference, photographically noticeable differences, then we will do your next treatment for free, which is almost unheard of. But I think if we offer this procedure to you, then we should be able to stand firm in our beliefs that you'll get a great result.
So you can just feel really good knowing that you're being treated, you know, with something that's really perfect for you, and then you're standing behind those results. What's not to love? And so you said that there are other things if Coolsculpting wasn't really perfect for you. I can tell you I did Tickle Lipo, greatest thing I ever did.
Right.
Tickle Lipo was amazing.
Right.
So that's an option. Explain what that is.
So it is. So I think that's one great thing is, you know, we've got some really great people here, 2 board certified plastic surgeons. We've got a wonderful Coolsculpting nurse that does the majority of our Coolsculpting here. And so you get this kind of team feel about how we approach your individual problem. So if you can identify something that's Coolsculpting can help you with, then that's a great option for you. If it's not a great option and you have more generalized body fat, or you have excess skin, loose skin, or your skin's not a great quality where we think that removing the fat cells underneath it will allow that skin to retract and give you a pretty overall result, then we have other means. Liposuction is a great one. Tummy tucks are great ones. So you can really go right up the ladder between the non-invasive Coolsculpting to the less invasive liposuction to the maximally invasive excision of tissue like a tummy tuck or a dermal lipectomy.
What I love is that I'm not hearing a one-size-fits-all approach, that you come in and you're thinking, well, maybe Coolsculpting, maybe this tickle lipo I've heard about, but it's not, this is what we're going to do for you. Everybody's an individual.
Right. So the approach to plastic surgery has to be individualized. And if you're a hammer, everything seems to be a nail. But luckily, we've got all modalities here to take care of what you need individually to reach your goals and get the best cosmetic result.
So now back to Coolsculpting. So you got that little thing you can kind of grab, right? Is it true what I've heard that you just lie there on the table and like you can read a magazine or listen to music or whatever? And
absolutely, you can fall asleep if you want.
You can fall asleep.
Absolutely.
While your fat gets completely blasted to ice.
So if you were up all night, the kids were keeping you up, the baby was keeping you up, or you were watching a game late night, you can come right in, get some sleep, and lose fat at the same time.
Now, do you see why Coolsculpting seems like straight up magic?
I do. I think it sounds a little bit like magic. There is some good science behind it, but certainly the results can be magical, and the fact that you don't have to do anything but sit there is a pretty nice scenario.
I love it. If Coolsculpting sounds like something you're interested in, you got a little something you can grab, schedule your complimentary consultation right now online at grapercosmeticsurgery.com.